Today we will see problem how to find difference between simple interest and compound interest. The question is calculate the difference between the simple interest and compound interest on rupees 4,000 in 2 years at 8% per annum compounded yearly. So how can we solve this? The first thing is we have to find the interest for first year. Principal as given in the question 4,000 times 1 year and rate is 8% per annum. So let us calculate the interest. We'll just replace the values of principal, time, rate by 100. After we replace the values and calculate it, we will get the interest for the first year as rupees 320. So 320 is the interest for the first year. What do we have to find next? Amount at the end of first year. You know the formula very well, principal plus interest. We'll just replace the values of principal and interest to get the amount at the end of first year. So after we replace and evaluate the values, we will get the amount at the end of first year as rupees 4,320. So this is the amount at the end of first year. Our next step is to find the interest for the second year. Now you remember that the principal of the present year is the amount of the previous year. That's why principal is 4,320, time is 1 year, and rate is 8%. We'll just replace the values to get the interest for the second year. So after we evaluate the principal into time into rate by 100, 4320 into 1 into 8 by 100, we will get the interest for the second year as rupees 345 and 6, or we can write it as 60 paise. Rupees 345 and 60 paise is the interest for the second year. We have to find the amount for the second year now. Formula, you know it, principal plus interest. We'll replace the values to get the amount for the second year. After we have replaced the values and added the principal and interest, we will get the amount for the second year as rupees 4,665 and 60 paise. What is the next step? We have to find the compound interest, right? And you know the formula to find compound interest, it's amount minus principal. We'll just replace the values of amount and principal. You remember that this principal is the initial principal. After we replace the values and subtract these two values, we will get the compound interest as rupees 665 and 60 paise. So 665 rupees and 60 paise is the compound interest. The first step that we did was to find the compound interest for 2 years. Now we have to find the simple interest. You know the formula very well, principal into rate, time into rate by 100. And principal as given in the question is rupees 4,000. Time, we have to find the simple interest for 2 years and rate is 8% per annum. We'll replace the values in the formula of simple interest and then we'll calculate to get the amount, the simple interest. So after replacing the values and after calculating principal into time into rate by 100, we will get the simple interest as rupees 640. So the simple interest that we have calculated is 640. Now we'll come to the conclusion of the solution of this problem. As we're solving this problem, we have to find the difference of compound interest and simple interest. So that is compound interest minus simple interest. We'll just replace the values for compound interest and simple interest. As we have calculated, you know that the compound interest that we calculated is rupees 665 and 60 paise. minus simple interest, that is 640. When we subtract these two values, we will get the difference, and the difference of compound interest and simple interest in this question is rupees 25 and 60 paise. So this is the answer that we have found. Difference of compound interest and simple interest as rupees 25 and 60 paise. So keep practicing, and you can go back through the video and see again. There is a homework for you. Okay, calculate the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on rupees 9,800 in 2 years at 6% per annum compounded yearly.